Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, December 7th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And what you just witnessed there in M period, NL, were totally uneducated traders getting ripped apart from being long for 5 hours. They had every opportunity in the world to either get out even, make small, lose small, only to get ripped apart. And I'll make you bet you my bottom dollar that the ones who got ripped apart long jumped short and got ripped apart as we ripped up. Without a doubt, I think that happened. Another wide range. The low on the day in SPY is I'm sorry, I almost said the wrong one. It's 460.435. They have a wrong low of 458.65. That is not even close. Our gap held. Our gap held in SPY, Russell, and triple Qs, right? All of us hold gaps. We were all forming P shapes. That M period kind of distorted it, but still most likely a P. SPY goes 12 out of 13 wide. Russell gets 10. Triple Qs only get 8. We had a chance for a trend day. Got wiped away in L and M period in SPY and Qs. Had a good day again. Did a tremendous amount of trading. Nothing really big. I'm very frustrated because I was looking for this pullback in either F, H, even K, and it never really came. So I only took small longs. I did do it in M though. Now I started a little early, but I got them. I didn't hold it all the way up, but I did end up doing well on it when we got below half back. But because it's M period, never got really big. If this had happened, if this flush had happened earlier, I would have been long between 100 and 200 calls. When at M's low, I was only long about, I think, just about 50 or 60. And that was even a lot for M period. Now, believe it or not, I actually made money on shorts in A and B when it ripped up at very visual areas and at really quick trades. Against the weekly high to force, I did scalp puts 3 times in A and B, and believe it or not, made money on all of them. The market ripped up for 3 time frames and then traded sideways for 4 or 5 hours. I was long in C. My first long against the single prints, did okay on that. Then went short when we were getting no tempo to the upside. I took longs in D period a couple times, scalped those against the single prints at the time. Did well with those. Then I was looking for the afternoon pullback. I did take a long in H, but nothing of the sort that I wanted to. Same in K, took a long, did well on that. And then my biggest position of the day was M period. When M came down, started very small, inside, right below C, inside the single prints, B's low, half back, and then I was long probably, I think it might have been just under 60, like maybe 58 contracts or so. And then as it started just ripping up, started taking them off, but again, didn't hold them nearly to where we got to the top. But a good day overall. But I'm frustrated because it's amazing. We talk about uneducated traders. This doesn't get you can't get more uneducated than this. At one point, I said we had done 30% of the volume in a 40 cent, 50 cent range. They were all long. In fact, I wouldn't doubt, I said, if there was some passive selling by long-term players. They're not going to dictate the market. But if these guys want to keep buying it here, maybe some big funds are getting out. So they kept getting long. They were getting nothing for it. We never made a new high again. They teased an I, teased an L, and then they did this. And all these people stayed long, and then they panicked. And then not only did they panic, I guarantee you they went short. So a lot of people are now sitting there with their hands on their head going, what in the world just happened to me? Okay? $30 a month, folks. That's not going to happen to you here. Keep that in mind. As far as destinations, to the upside, we have today's high of 468.88. And then only 3 more, 469.57 daily high, 472.40 afternoon rally high from November 22nd, and 473.54 monthly high, all-time high. For the downside, we have 12 wide, 468.09 from today. Then we have 464.35, today's low, 463.65 daily low, 451.77 9 wide from November 22nd, 448.92 weekly low. And as long as we hold Friday's weekly low, we should and will see new all-time highs, as I believe the Santa Claus rally is back. Look where we're trading, folks. Look at this. From the 350 algo went down. So from 350 to 408 in 18 minutes, we've gone from 466.26 to 468.80. Think about that. They just ripped everybody apart who has no idea what they're doing, and they're about to make a new high on the day and end. Triple Qs just did. I love it. I love seeing ignorance absolutely destroyed. Then on the charts, weekly, we are back to balance. So the monthly's balance, the weekly is back to balance since we took out last week's high, and the daily is up. That's a bad low. I'll change it after the video. We're way above the 20-day moving average, okay? 89 million, so decent volume again, good range again. The gap is my main focus. There's not much to the upside. As long as this Friday's low holds, I firmly believe we will see new all-time highs. Hope you had a good day trading. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.